Hadien ka ong batang gibayo yaw siya ki sngoto ka jing thar. Bat kane ka yahap usam larang ba nil jaitli khongwer ubare way na preng samla ubala mat ya ka jing ka bakordet na ka jing lait ngop ka jong u ban pendon kam yaw drugs bat ka kiat kata hadu khatsan snem hnrei mentapat ula kalalong unong le bha unong yarap ya ki bekirni hakine gi jing di penbuat. Hadien khatsan snem uba nil mentau de president ka Meghalaya Users Forum MUF ka bere ka forum ka ba ai jingkersan bat yarap ban pelat ya ki weipat na ka jing sate sya khum hau kynjri jingkyrni di drugs. Na ka benta ka ni ka kamba bhau ba nil ul yo priang jing pen ko buram na ka tanat social welfare ka sarkar jalla ha ka arpre trek jellio arja arpulai ha ka jiyalang rakhi ya ka International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ha ususo tham auditorium. Habakren uba nil ulang baka bha ya ki bapendon kam drugs ban lait na gitar sem jong new jingdi penbuat pat kalawai ki khon ki ka don ha ka jingma lada le menta.
I have used drugs and alcohol for 15 years. Okay. This year in December I will be completing my 12th year of sobriety and clean time. Thank you. It has been a very long, hard, tough journey. 15 years of going through everything, including being homeless, dropping out, not being employed, no reintegration, and so on and so forth. I don't blame anyone. I don't blame the government or the police department. In my time, there was nothing in place to give us any kind of support when it comes to health or when it comes to recovery. I got my support and recovery from going to a rehabilitation center which is based in Chennai. Thankfully for me, my parents were well off enough to ship me out. That is not the case for many of our boys and girls. They cannot afford outside treatment. So what happens is, they go into various rehabs for just a short time, and as they come out, they always relapse. It is very, very difficult. Just to give you a simple figure, for people who abuse and use heroin, there is an 80% chance that a boy or girl who comes out of rehab or treatment is going to relapse. That is a huge number. So for a person to come into recovery, like me, it's very, very difficult. Okay, so I really thank the Honorable Chief Minister for what he said. You know, we need to focus on the recovery aspect of things. If we give our boys and girls that support during and after treatment, monitoring them, not just putting them in and when they come out, they again go back to their old habits, is not going to solve the problem. Right? So I just want to say a few things more. I won't take up any more of your time. I think it's high time that we make the dream initiative of the government into a reality. That is on us. This saying no to drugs depends on me and you and each and every one of you students, family members, teachers, Rangbashnongs, village defense parties, everyone. It is not the problem of the police department or the government. This is my problem, this is your problem. Our children's future is at stake. If we do not act now, the next generation is going to be gone.